BabyTube Bangla.
In Minu's backyard, something magical is happening. Meet Minu, a young girl with a love for gardening. With her trusty shovel and some special seeds, Minu is ready to grow her own garden. She adds some water to help the seeds grow big and strong, just like magic. Every day, Minu checks on her garden, watching as teeny sprouts pop up from the soil. For Minu, gardening is like a magical adventure, where she gets to watch nature come to life right before her eyes. And so, in Minu's backyard, the magical of gardening continues to grow, one seed at a time.